My name is Lenna. I work on internal pulmonary unit. Currently, we are a COVID unit. We keep all positive COVID patients. It has been draining, especially at the beginning when we were learning what COVID was, how to treat it, how to protect ourselves, how to protect the patients. And it was every day something changed. To manage the flow of the patients now, you have to kind of know a little bit more. They're requiring a lot more oxygen, so you have to stay on top of that as a supervisor. And you communicate with case management and trying to make sure their needs are met. I just couldn't believe it. I said, is this a prank? And then I cried a little bit. I pitched myself a little bit. I happen to be a huge football fan. I mean, I do my schedule usually around football games. My team, unfortunately, has not been to the Super Bowl in a while, but I watch it faithfully every year. I can always find a team to cheer for. I cannot express the gratitude that I feel for this once-in-a-lifetime experience. I'm going to the Super Bowl, yeah!